This is Spreewald, and I will show you one very good reason to love this place. This is a parasol mushroom, Macrolepiota procera. A very fine edible mushroom, and it grows in abundance here. A big ring, and not only this ring, the whole meadow here is full of them. I have no idea how many there are. So instantly identifiable by the stem, brown stem, with some white pattern of brown and white. And this movable ring here. You see it goes up and down. Can slide it, white ring. Yeah. White gills always. Stays white. They stay white. Also when it ages, since their spore print is also white, so it doesn't color the gills. Always has this brown pattern on the cap. Like mostly brown in the middle, and then with these brown scales going outwards to the edges, and not so many at the very edge. It has some lookalikes. There's the false parasol. But that does not have the same stem, this brown white pattern. And it has a green spore print. So if you have the patience to wait and make a spore print, takes some 12 to 24 hours. Put the cap on a piece of paper and let the spores fall out on the paper, and you will see from this one, this edible delicious parasol mushroom, you will see a white spore print. From the false parasol, Chlorophyllum voluptatis, you will see a green spore print. But there's another one, another poisonous one. It also has a white spore print. That's called Macrolepiota venenata. But that one does not have this brown white pattern on the stem, and not this ring here, this conspicuous ring. And it also, the flesh has another color. This one, the parasol mushroom, the edible one here, has a flesh that does not change its color. The poisonous Macrolepiota venenata does change color. Changes first, becomes orange and then wine red. So the color of the flesh is also an important identification feature. Like, it must be white flesh. If it's this one here, the parasol mushroom, and you can see I've almost walked around this ring here. There are more of them, some out there, maybe a ring, another ring. There are definitely some over here. Important also about the identification is that the Chlorophyllum molybditis, oh my god, there are many here. Another ring, or ring plus something more. So what I was about to say is that important for identification is also the habitat. So this one, the parasol mushroom here, is common in Central Northern Europe, whereas the two poisonous Chlorophyllum molybditis, Macrolepiota venenata, are not common here. They are subtropical species, but they do occur here now and then, rarely, seldomly, but sometimes. When they do, they occur almost always in greenhouses. So they need like a special microclimate, very warm, but also if it has been fertilized, the soil. So they are very, very rare here, these the poisonous ones. Almost only in greenhouses. Otherwise, well, they grow more typically or more commonly in Southern Europe, even more in subtropical